viewers, welcome to History Journeys. We are in Purna Wildlife Sanctuary in Gujarat. So particularly we are in Mahal Ecotourism campsite. So actually this is in the dense forest. So we are in the middle of the forest. There is a campsite made by the Gujarat Tourism. So as I told you, I will take you through this complete campsite. So this Purna Wildlife Sanctuary is one of the biggest wildlife sanctuary in Gujarat. And yeah, let's get into this campsite and I will explain you. Stay tuned, guys. So this is the entrance of the Mahal Forest Rest House. So here we go. Yeah. So this is a huge vehicle parking area, and you can see there is a board. Welcome Mahal Ecotourism campsite. So that is the entrance. So let's get into the campsite now. So the board welcoming us now. So this is the entrance, and this is the reception area. Yeah, here you can see the lot of tents are there. I mean the huts, and this is the area where in the night time they used to keep the campfire. In the morning, now it is around 8 a.m. So people are still getting the heat there in the campfire. So yeah, so they are who's working there in this particular rest house. So they will help us to get everything here. Yeah. So there is a souvenir shop here, so we can get our souvenirs here, and these are called donkey huts. So there are three types of accommodation available in Mahal campsite. So first one is the donkey hut. This is a hut type where you will get only the basic amenities. Yeah, let's get into a campsite now. I mean the donkey hut now. So these are the donkey huts. Let's get into a donkey hut now. So the donkey hut will look like this, and that is a washroom, and they will give 2-3 pillows and the mattress like this, and that is so you can see there is a well constructed building. So these are the other type of accommodation available in this camp house. Yeah, let's go and visit those places as well. So these are the very good accommodation, I can say, which is available in campsite. Yeah, and that is the other one, and this is another type of accommodation available here. So these are the three type of accommodation available in this campsite. Okay, so there is a river behind this campsite, and unfortunately there is no much of water. We will try to go in some other way to reach this river. So these are the other sides of this temple. So it is beautifully constructed, and the backside of this temple you can see there is a Lord Hanuman temple. So we can go and visit that temple as well. So So it was one of the peaceful place. So let's move to the next place. So we are in Pampa Sarovar now. So this is Narmada River, and this is also part of Purna Wildlife Sanctuary. So here there is a Lord Hanuman temple. So it's the best place for the children, and everyone can play and everyone can enjoy. Yeah. Here you can see there is a falls. But I think it is not allowed to get into this particular falls, but everyone can enjoy here. Yeah, this is Girmal waterfall, which is part of Purna Wildlife Sanctuary. This is one of the highest falls in Gujarat, and it's a kind of off season, so that's the reason we don't have much of water here. Hope you can see the other part as well. We'll try to get down as much as possible, and let's see. This is another view of this falls, which is much closer. Okay, let's move down. We just came down to see the falls very nearby. Unfortunately, we couldn't see because of some restriction. So, but this is the place like. People can come and people can enjoy here. You can see a family is enjoying here. Hope everyone can enjoy this place. You can see there is a child who is enjoying here. Okay, let's move to the next place. Yeah, the next day, we started with the trekking. So here is a guide. The person who is working in the forest department here. So he's explaining about the forest and do's and don'ts here. Yeah, let's get into the forest. Let's start our trek. Yeah, here you can see a kind of vapor from the water. People are getting into the forest. Let's proceed. Okay, we just completed the trekking now, so we are back to the campsite, and we completed the Purna Wildlife Sanctuary as well, and we are moving towards Sardar Sarovar. It's nothing but a Statue of Unity. We'll catch up in the next video. Stay tuned. Please subscribe.